Did you know that there are restrictions on Facebook and Instagram that prevent you from watching adult content? I'm going to show you how to hop into both of those apps and how to change it so that you can watch adult content if you choose to do so. Now here you can see I'm on my iPhone, but you can do this on an Android or a computer. I'll walk through Facebook first. Within Facebook, tap on the menu button at the bottom right, or tap on the three lines at the top left or your profile at the top right if you're on a computer. And the next thing we're going to do is scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings right under it. From here, all we need to do is scroll down until we get to Preferences and tap on Content Preferences. And now from here, you can see within Content Preferences, and what you see is Sensitive Content. Tap on that. And if I tap on Learn More here, it'll pop up. It says this content can include suggestive content, violent, graphic content, etc. So if you do want to be able to see all of that content within Facebook, all you need to do is switch this instead of Show Less, which oftentimes is the default, to the default settings. And then just hit OK. Now, let's do the same thing on Instagram as well. So just open up the Instagram app and tap on the profile at the bottom right. The next thing you're going to do is tap on the three lines at the top right. And from here, scroll down until you get to the section that says What You See. And we're going to tap on Content Preferences. And next, we're going to tap on the second option, Sensitive Content. And again, if you tap on Learn More, it walks you through exactly what this does. It does say teens that are under 13 and other teens that are under 18 will have restrictions no matter what. But you can see a list of sort of the type of content that it will allow you to watch if you choose to do so. Now, next out of here, all we need to do is switch this from less to you can choose more. And it says see more sensitive content. And again, it walks you through exactly what you will see. And you can choose to see more of that adult or sensitive content within both Facebook as well as Instagram if you choose to do so and you are the correct age. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.